Hello, this is John, and today I want to talk to you about how you can be a successful seller on Fiverr and take advantage of some of the great opportunities that Fiverr offers you. And there's some insider tips and secrets I want to share with you. I've been a seller on Fiverr. I started probably 6 years ago, but really didn't do much for quite a while. And then in the past 2 years, I decided to really, focus, get serious and so far been doing very well to the point where I can average about $4,000 or $5,000 a month on Fiverr, and in some months do even better. So first thing I want to do is just log into my account so I can show you that I'm not just making a video to try to get your um, clicks or whatever, but that I really am doing what I say I'm doing. And so let me go and just show you. We're inside my seller account, and you can see my lifetime earnings on Fiverr are almost $94,000. Now, most of this has been, like I said, over the past 2 years. If we scroll down here, you can see here we are in 2020, where it's October 15th. We're halfway through October, and I've made just under $50,000 so far on Fiverr. My best month was in May, where I made $7,000. My lowest month was in January at $3,300. But you can see I've had 6,000, 5,000. Here's another $6,000 month. The last couple months I've been in the low 4,000s, and I'm on pace to do another $4,000 month here in October. And so I'm not, sharing this to brag at all, but really just to show you what is possible. And I'm not even one of the big sellers here on Fiverr. There's a lot of other sellers that do a lot more and a lot better than I do. But there's a few things I want to share with you that I think are really important to keep in mind and understand that sometimes people overlook when they're looking at how to sell things on Fiverr. So, number one, the first thing you want to keep in mind is that it's a great source of free traffic. If you go and you look at some of the, top rated websites in the world for organic traffic, Fiverr consistently ranks usually in the top 200, definitely in the top, 3 to 400. So there's almost 2 billion websites on the internet, and for Fiverr to rank in the top 2 or 300 for just organic traffic, people that just organically go there, then that's a lot of traffic. And so that's the great thing. Most people, they struggle making money online because they don't know how to get traffic to an offer. They might have something to sell, but they don't know how to get it in front of people to make a sale. So the nice thing here is traffic is built in. People come and find you. They come looking for what you have to offer, and then you provide that service and get paid. So they win, you win. Obviously, Fiverr, they take a cut from the sale, but you don't pay Fiverr their commission until the sale is done. So there really isn't any cost to you until the sale is completed. So it's the opposite. Most people, they think, oh, I got to spend money on, some kind of paid advertising, Facebook ads or Google ads or some kind of ads. And that's very risky because you're putting your money out up front, and maybe you'll make a sale and maybe you won't. But either way, you spent money on advertising. So even though you are going to pay Fiverr, for any sale that you make that you complete, they're doing all the work and getting people to find your gigs, and so therefore, not a big deal, to pay them a commission. The other thing I want to talk about, number two, is the great thing also is most times people they think of selling things on Fiverr, it is known as a freelance site, and so I think they have to have, some kind of technical skill. And if you have a technical skill, that's great because there's a lot of opportunity if you do have a technical skill. You can see there's all kinds of graphic and design opportunity for you, digital marketing, if you're a writer, or like doing things, in that avenue. If you love doing video stuff, music, audio, if you're a programmer, software person, there's definitely tons of technical things that you can do on Fiverr. But the great thing is there's a lot of things you can do on Fiverr where you don't need any technical skills. And I have a separate course that actually talks about that, how you can get started on Fiverr, even if you don't know how to really do any of these, technical type things, or you don't have, maybe a special skill that you can offer. There's lots of actually very easy ways to sell things on Fiverr, sell services without having necessarily any skills. And the third thing, the last thing I just want to talk about is you can sell multiple things. Sometimes people think that you're just going to, throw out one service and hopefully people are going to find you. But really, you can have multiple. As you start out, you're a little more limited. I think it's 5 or 6. But as you start making sales and you move up from a new seller to a level 1 seller to a level 2 seller, etc., then you get more. So I'm at a level 2 seller right now. I can have up to 20 different services that I offer. And so that just increases your chance that more people are going to find you. You're going to get more orders. You're going to get more reviews, which means you're going to get more orders, and it just keeps snowballing from there. And that's really how it works. So I do have a free report that I think will be very helpful if you want to get started on Fiverr. In it, I reveal some of the insider secrets that I've learned on my time on Fiverr that help me and can help you really get some traction as a new seller on Fiverr to get those orders, build up your orders, get those good reviews, and therefore just continue to get more orders, make more sales, and ultimately what we all want to do, make more money. So click the link down below in the description, get my free report, and that will definitely help you get started to being successful on Fiverr. I wish you all the best.